I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait, and today we're cooking goat cheese fondue sauce. We need 1 4-inch piece celery, 1 4-inch piece carrot, 1 small shallot, 1 garlic clove, 1 cup goat cheese, half cup milk, half teaspoon cornstarch, half teaspoon lemon zest. Chop the shallot into a very fine dice. Cut the celery into a very fine dice. Cut the carrot in a very fine dice as well. Chop the garlic. In a small sauce pot, add the garlic. Add 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Fry a little bit, then add the celery, carrots, and shallot. Stir very well. And cook on low heat until all the vegetables are tender. Add half of the milk. Stir very well and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Mix the cornstarch in the other half of the milk and mix it in very well to make a slurry. Add the slurry to the pot and stir very well until it thickens. When it's very thick, add salt, fresh ground black pepper, add the lemon zest, stir very well, add the goat cheese, mix very well until all the goat cheese is melted and incorporated into the milk. Whisk it very well, and there it is, goat cheese fondue sauce. We're serving it today with herb roasted chicken and ratatouille. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.